Discover a place where learning is a passion. Discover an institution where technology is the lingua franca. Discover an education that is special, that is in high demand all over the world. Discover the University of Mines and Technology. Discover a precious education. Discover UMaT. Mining is currently Ghana's leading foreign exchange earner. The country has ample reserves of several minerals, including gold, diamonds, manganese, bauxite, and now oil. However, precious minerals only become valuable when they have been brought to the surface. They first have to be extracted from the earth, where they were formed over millions of years. This extraction of the raw material is the work of professionals in the fields of geoscience, mining technology, and related disciplines. This special breed of professionals is responsible for producing and processing the rich harvest from the bowels of the earth. Mining generates wealth and prosperity, not only for the miners, but for whole communities and the nation at large. And yet, manpower requirements in certain mining areas have outstripped the available human resources. That is why the University of Mines and Technology was set up to train mining professionals of distinction.
What we do here is learning.
UMaT started as the Tarkwa Technical Institute in November 1952. In 1957, through the initiative of the Ghana Chamber of Mines, TTI was reorganized to become the Tarkwa School of Mines. In 1976, the Tarkwa School of Mines was affiliated as a faculty to the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and thus became the KNUST School of Mines. In October 2001, the KNUST School of Mines was again reorganized to become the Western University College of KNUST. It is the Western University College which was given a full-fledged autonomous university status by Act 677 in November 2004 and renamed as the University of Mines and Technology, UMaT, Tarkwa.
By the powers vested in me, I do hereby formally admit you as junior members in Statu Popular of the University of Mines and Technology. Accept my congratulations.
Located on the lush green carpeted hills on the outskirts of the historical town of Tarkwa in the gold mining belt of the western region of Ghana, UMaT's specific mission is to provide higher education in mining and related engineering disciplines, management sciences, and information technology through active teaching and learning. To promote knowledge through active research and dissemination of information. And also to provide professional services through extension and consultancy services to the mining and allied industries. The university aims to become a center of excellence in Ghana and Africa for producing world-class professionals in the fields of geoscience, mining technology, and related disciplines. UMaT has a strategic location in the mining industrial environment. And because it offers mining and related disciplines, this strategic location provides its students with the opportunity to have on-the-job training to acquire greater skills, which then make them well-trained. Indeed, UMaT's core values are knowledge, truth, and excellence. The University of Mines and Technology currently offers 9 programs at the undergraduate level, all of which are also offered at the postgraduate level. There are 2 main faculties at the undergraduate level: the Faculty of Mineral Resources Technology and the Faculty of Engineering. 5 programs are run in the Faculty of Mineral Resources Technology. They are Geomatic Engineering, Geological Engineering, Mining Engineering, Mineral Engineering, and Petroleum Engineering. At the Faculty of Engineering, there are 4 programs. These are Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Mathematics, and Computer Science and Engineering. At the postgraduate level, master's and doctorate degrees are offered for all programs. The Center for Communication and Entrepreneurship Skills, CENSUS, is the nucleus of the future Faculty of Integrated Management Sciences. The center is a servicing department and does not run its own degree programs. It coordinates the teaching of general study courses in the university, such as communication skills, literature in English, law of contract and torts, public relations, economic development planning, and business entrepreneurship.
UMaT is all about picking data on the field and interpreting the data. The ability to pick data and interpret the data. We pick X, Y, and Z coordinates. And able to interpret the data into different fields. Yeah.
In the mines, for instance, before any excavation is taking place, before any development, the surveyor will have to go down, they give the miners the direction as to where to blast and where not to.
Geological engineering basically has to do with everything we see: the air, the rocks, the soil, and water. We learn their origin, passages, transformation, and everything they go through, and how they end up becoming what they are as we see them, and how we can apply them for the betterment of human race.
Basically, I chose to pursue mining engineering because of the fact that the world as it stands now in development is based on mining, because everything we virtually have is based on mining. Talk about the phones we are using, we have some gold templates in there. Talk about computers, you have some gold chips in there that help us.
I chose mineral engineering because I'm good in chemistry and I'm relating chemistry to an engineering course. I realized mineral engineering was a good one. Also, I chose it because Ghana is rich in mineral resources, and I realized it would be appropriate doing mineral engineering because I can help in the exploration of these minerals and I'll be able to market myself to get good employment after school.
Electrical engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the technology of electricity. That's talk about generation of electrical energy, distribution of electrical energy, transmission of electrical energy, and at the same time utilization of electrical energy. That's by consumers. So you see, nowadays you find, in fact there is nothing you can do in this world without electrical energy.
UMaT students are taught to become all-round professionals and are therefore educated in the principles of economics, communication skills, and literature, among other courses that combine to better prepare them for the job market. The University of Mines and Technology has first-class laboratory, library, and computing facilities for research work in mining and related disciplines. The laboratories include Geomatic Laboratory, Geological Laboratory, Soil and Rock Mechanics Laboratory, Mineral Processing Laboratory, Mine Environmental and Safety Laboratory, Explosives Laboratory, Mechanical Engineering Laboratories and Workshops, and Light and Heavy Current Laboratories. The university's ultra-modern library complex can best be described as special.
Because UMaT is a specialized university in the sense that it doesn't teach all subjects, but it's specialized for the mining industry. the library also acquires materials to help the university to achieve its aim of training miners for the mining industry.
All activities and decisions are geared towards making students more comfortable and also to help them to develop the discipline that will enable them complete their courses successfully and to become responsible citizens of Ghana. UMaT has 2 halls of residence. The Chamber of Mines Hall is what you see behind here, and we have the Gold Refinery Hall, which is at the other side of town. And the 2 halls together can house about 60% of the students' population. We are looking forward to a situation where we can house everybody who is admitted as a student.
One good thing about UMaT is the students and the lecturer relationship. In fact, it's very good because the students are very few. The lecturers have time to teach very well. When you go to the lecture class, especially my class, we are 35, and the lecturer sees everyone. If you don't even come for lectures, he sees that you are not there, and he's also able to deliver his best.
The equipment are also there, the facilities are there, and our number is few. By the time you come out of the lecture room, out of the practical class, you see that you've learned something out of the practical. So that is very, very important. That also helps very well. To be honest with you, this is the only university, as far as I'm concerned, in Ghana here, whereby when you reach your 3rd year, the university itself seeks for attachment places for you.
Do you know what? If you last semester, I was in the house when I was called that my name has been sent to Anglo and that I should go there for the attachment. And Charlie, it's a nice place to be. I really love UMaT.
UMaT is a unique place, and in order to build a center of excellence in higher education, we have built a culture that is hinged on discipline. To be able to do this, we have put all our rules and regulations into various documents and have made them available to both staff and students alike.
Our students come from all over the world. Of course, the major intake is from the West African sub-region. We have students from Nigeria, from Cameroon, from Sierra Leone, from Equatorial Guinea, and indeed we are having students coming from Asia now. We have students from China. So it's an international environment you find in our faculty.
The value of the education here is even more valuable than the gold we are mining in this area, in the sense that our students can go out for field practicals, going for industrial attachments, and they have the practical knowledge of the theory we are giving them.
The mechanical, electrical, and mathematical students that we shall produce are also those who are going to maintain the equipment, the mining equipment, and do some of the calculations required in order to get us to optimize our production.
There are excellent employment opportunities for UMaT graduates, both locally and internationally, in mining and allied companies, construction and manufacturing companies, electrical and electronic companies, financial institutions, geological and survey departments, energy boards, power authorities, government and non-governmental agencies, educational and research institutions, the aviation industry, the military, petroleum industry, and ICT and allied industries.
The practical training in UMaT is the best because you get a lot of hands-on experience before you actually get to the field, which is quite different. On the academic side, very intensive and it's good. I mean, when you get into the market, you can actually see that you can easily practice what you do.
We are strategizing ourselves to become the center of excellence for training in mining and allied disciplines to propel the development agenda of the nation. This is our future, and we are determined to be there.
The University of Mines and Technology is definitely one of the fastest growing institutions in Ghana today. Indeed, its students, graduates, academic staff, and administration are all agreed that what UMaT really has to offer is a precious education in knowledge, truth, and excellence.